Welcome to Republic of K-pop. My name is Not a Lie. What goes on in here? Who knows? But today we know. I'll be reacting to Oh My Girl, Windy Day. Well, I really liked their song Liar Liar, and the choreography was really cute too. It was pretty quick. I liked it. Oh my god. And shit. Why are they all getting huffy puffy on me? My cats are getting huffy puffy. Anyways. So, yes, let's get down to business. To defeat the Huns. What the fuck? Let us begin. Okay, go. Man, I always wanted to learn how to fly a kite, but kind of never really got around to it. It's like really chill right now. Like a really chill, like a song like in the summer or like in the fall on your way to class, like the first day of the semester when you have the motivation to do work and then the second day you're done. Release those birds, god damn it. Yes! Bless. It's so cute! And it's so chill. I like it too. Reminds me of like an anime opening with, you know, the girl running to school, like late on her first day of school with the, you know, with the toast in her mouth. That's so cute. That kind of looks like, that reminds me of Walking Dead. Oh look, another day in Florida. I mean, next thing you know, it's gonna rain. But this thing though, that was really cool. It's just like all of a sudden, just like, they have really pretty voices. It's like a really nice area too, man. So, the only mountain we have in Florida is the Garbage Mountain. That's all we have. I think that's in Miami or Broward somewhere over there. Why do you need the flashlight? No, it's like, is she trying to find the goblet of fire? That's really cute. Trying to find my way around Miami-Dade. Is that the goblet of fire? No. Oh, I like it. I love the change. That is a Florida struggle with the umbrellas. It's embarrassing. No, don't shoot the wire. It's like such a cheerful song too. Where are my friends? I have no friends. Try not to get hit though. I love when it changes like that. It's so cool. It's a really light, catchy song too. That was cool. Fuck, cancel. God damn it. Gets me every time. I never learn. Stop. Okay, so That was a really good song. I liked it. Like, it started off so kind of like very light. It was very light and refreshing, and then it just kind of went to the chorus, and it was just like, and it was really neat. I loved it. Like, it's like something you kind of listen to, like I mentioned earlier, like in the fall on the way to class, or just something like when you're just having, you know, a neutral day, or like a really nice day or something to listen to in the car with your windows down. It was nice. I liked it. Anyways, I'll be looking forward to more Oh My Girl things because they have talent. They can sing very well. So that's going to be really neat. I can't wait for more of their concepts. It's going to be really cool. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video and all that good stuff. There goes my cat. Woo. So anyways, thank you. And until next time. Okay.